welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of the Borla Atak exhaust, and I made a previous video. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. It's still there. Thank you for the shares, the likes, and the comments. Appreciate it. I haven't installed the K&N, like I said. I'm gonna take my time with that one because I still don't know how to do it, or I'm gonna get somebody to do it for me. If not, I'll just sell it. But regardless of that, everything came out good. Y'all can see it's sticking out. It's actually look bigger than what I thought in person, you know. And on the phone you can't really see how big the pipe is, but this is really decent. I was thinking of putting mud flaps, but then again I'm like, nah, I think it look better like that. What you guys think? Should I put mud flaps? So it goes through here. Let me show you underneath that. And it sounds way better than stock, to be honest. All trucks should be coming like this out of factory, but it does cost a lot. You can see the other one going through there, through the rear end. And the pipe and the muffler, y'all see it, Borla. I don't know why leaking, but I think that should be normal. Probably because it's the morning, it's kind of cold. They had to do some adjustments right here. It cost a little bit more, but they got it done. If you guys wondering who did it, big shout out to these guys right here at Oxbow Muffler in Joliet on the west side. If you around the area, it took them like 2 hours. I told them to take a whole day if they want, but they did a decent job. So then it said it was easy, so you know, I always go with the pros. Got it washed up, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds. Alright. Here it goes. I'm gonna record a video for my reels. Multitasking. I do 2 videos at once. Alright, so here it goes. Got holding 2 cameras. Alright, so you see the keys. Alright, ready? And it rides smooth as hell too, like if it was a stock, man. That's what I like about it. So let me show you guys. Alright, so that's how it sounds. The burner ready. Nice. That's it. Yeah, like I said, let me know what you guys think. I haven't installed the K&N. I still got it here. Let me just show you guys. Yeah, I still got it right here. So that's next. I mean, it's no biggie. It's just a cold air intake. Just gonna make the motor go a little bit more pressure. But other than that, shit came out good. You know what I'm saying? Maybe next year I'll do something else. I'm still not done with it. I really want to do a sound system in it, but I don't know. I'll see it till next year. Some more upgrades to it. Like I said, you know, car season is over. Winter's coming, so it's pretty much gonna stay inside the garage all winter if I can. Unless this one mess up. Blue Dreams had to get a new starter the other day, let me down. But yeah, guys, that's all I have. A little short video. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, please watch it, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so y'all won't miss on the next video. And thank you for watching.